Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a video on beauty hacks. I recently discovered this book and I realized that I wanted to do videos about it. I'm not getting paid for these videos or anything. I literally just found this book. It's called Beauty Hacks. There's like 187 different hacks in this book. So I thought it would be fun to like pick a few hacks at a time and just share them with you guys because there are some really good beauty and life hacks in here that are gonna help you guys so much. The book is by Aggie Robertson. I got it from firebox.com. Again, I'm not getting paid for this video. I just wanted to seriously share these tips and tricks with you guys, and I thought like it'd be a fun new series on this channel and to get back into doing a lot of fun YouTube videos. So if you guys want to learn about some of the hacks today, then just keep on watching. So for the first hack, it is just Vaseline Lip Exfoliator. All you need is a lip exfoliating wand, which is just an old mascara brush that I washed. You just dip it in the Vaseline and you just brush over your lips, and you will start to notice all of the flakes that were on your lips just finally come off, and they brush off, and you have nice soft exfoliated lips, and you will be ready to go run over to your bae and kiss them, and they will love you for your soft lips and not chapped lips. So the next hack, it is the 3D lip kind of illusion, and basically you just take like a metallic eyeshadow, so some baby pinks or some silver, and you just apply it to the middle section of your lips after you've applied lipstick, and you will notice like a more 3D effect to your lips, so it will make your lips look a lot more plump. And I love the effect that it makes on your lips. My lighting sucks because I broke my lighting, but hopefully you guys can see the 3D effect here. The next hack is if you are someone that doesn't like fake eyelashes but you want thicker eyelashes, you can take an old mascara brush and you can dip it in translucent powder, and then you can brush it through your eyelashes. This isn't going to really affect the length of your lashes, but it is going to give an effect that your lashes are a lot more fuller and have a lot more volume once you apply mascara. And I actually thought I was filming before, so I had done it one round before, so that's why I had mascara on. But I actually noticed that doing this twice, doing like translucent powder, adding mascara, and then doing translucent powder and adding more mascara, it really did make my lashes look super thick, and I really did like the look of it. I am someone that doesn't really have a lot of length or volume in my top lashes. It is a little bit different on my bottom lashes. I have pretty long bottom lashes. They're almost longer than my top lashes, like naturally. If I just were to put it on, you guys could see it. You can't really see it in this because I used obviously the little trick. But yeah, if you guys want some fuller lashes and you didn't want to use falsies, then I would definitely go with this because I did notice a big difference. So the next hack is probably going to be the best one out of this video. It's called the loyalty card, and basically it's just a note card. You can use this to help you line up your eyeshadow, but the main trick is for the eyeliner. So if you are someone that's not very good at liquid eyeliner, this is going to help you so much. You just line it up and literally you just brush it through, and it gives you like the perfect little liquid eyeliner wing. And so it was super easy. I actually did this without a mirror. I didn't really have a mirror, and since I had to close my eyes, I didn't even really see the viewfinder. So I'm pretty sure I did pretty well for someone. Like you can see right there, like my nail has literally eyeliner on it because I couldn't see. So for someone that couldn't see and my eyeliner came and turned out like that, this is definitely an amazing hack. So I would definitely go to this 100%. And for the last hack, this is going to teach you how to do very loose, beachy, effortless waves. All you do is braid your hair into one braid. You can kind of take it off to the side and you just braid it down. Depending how loose you want your curls to be can determine how loose you want the braid. But you just braid it, and then you take your straightener, your flat iron, and you just heat up the braid, and you just want to get it and make sure that all of the hair was heated. And once you do that, you can just take it out. You can hairspray it first, hairspray it after if you want. For this video, I didn't really do that. In real life time, you would probably want to hairspray it. You could hairspray it first, after, whatever. But once you take it out, you notice that you have very, very effortless, pretty, simple waves, and it took literally less than 5 minutes. So this is definitely an amazing hair trick, and I'm definitely going to be using this a lot. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys want more beauty hacks, definitely give this video a thumbs up. But that's it for today. Make sure to follow me on all my social media. All the links will be listed down below. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye!